Welcome to the ClearCheckbook tutorial series. ClearCheckbook is an application that helps you manage your finances online. Is your net worth report telling the whole story? Big items like your home or vehicles are crucial pieces of your financial puzzle. That's exactly what our Asset Manager tool helps you track. In this video, I'll show you how to easily log these valuable assets, ensuring your net worth calculation is complete and accurate. The Asset Management tool can be found from the Tools menu at the top of the page. I'm already tracking a home but just bought a new car and want to add it as an asset. To do this, I'll click on the blue Add New Asset button. For the name, I'll enter 2024 Ford EV. The inception value is what the resale value would be at the time of purchase. I'll enter $38,000 here since that's what seems to be the going value. I bought this on March 2nd, so I'll enter that as the date. I'm going to leave the note field blank, but you can record any other information about the asset here. When I add the asset, you'll see it show up in the asset list below. The list shows the asset name, the current value, and when you obtained the asset. There are also 3 links on the bottom right side of each asset. The first looks like a bouncing arrow on a chart. Clicking on this is where you can record the estimated value of the asset for each month. Looking at the main house asset, you can see how I've recorded the value for each month. These values are used in the Net Worth History Report to show how your net worth has changed over time. The next link is a pencil icon which lets you edit the details of the asset. This is where you go if you no longer have the asset, but still want the values to be reflected in your net worth history. For example, if you sold your condo to buy a home, you don't want to lose the history of owning the condo. In that case, we'll mark the asset as retired, and then it will show up in a separate section. The last link is a delete icon, which will remove the asset entirely, including the history that's used in your net worth calculations. Let's take a quick look at the net worth history reports and see how the Asset Manager is used there. You can see a column in the net worth history report that shows our total asset values by month. The big jump in asset value for April 2025 is due to adding the new car to our asset list. If you have any additional questions about the Asset Manager, check out the dedicated knowledge base article in our help section. The easiest way to find this is by clicking on the green help link at the top right side of the Asset Management tool. I'd also recommend checking out our video that covers net worth tracking in more detail. You can find this video through our YouTube channel or in our video tutorials section at ClearCheckbook.com.